SCS. What's going on, y'all? SCS, and we back with another. Man, so I want to start the video off right. We back with another one. And look, protect yourself, protect your money, man. These scammers is out going crazy. Steve Davis _CG 1_. My only Instagram. When I be out here sending these folks money, Steven Davis is the only authorized person to accept payments from Steve Chevy Shop. All right, we got all this material. Still got rolls of material, like $5 grand worth of material in rolls to bring up here. Yes, baby.
Tell me when you want your package.
Oh, about 10 minutes, about 5 minutes. I'm finna let you know, okay? But man, we got it. I'm tired, man. I ain't finna lie to y'all. Got the dust collector, got the vacuum, hoses, pipe fittings, bits, and the computer system. All that got to go in here today. I was gonna set it up, but man, it's my birthday, and I don't really want to work. I want to hang with my kids, and I can do that. It's be a small business on me. But about to set up this air compressor, plug it up right here, and then blow everything off. I showed y'all the hoses and all the stuff I bought for over here. And I should have just bought one hose because it's one person, but the CNC need a hose, so I'm gonna just connect that other hose on that. All our fittings brand new because I got like 3 boxes to make, so it's all gonna work out in the end, even if it's just me. It's supposed to be a quiet air compressor. Ain't all that quiet. Okay, y'all, we back a couple days later. I just pushed this car over so I can move this table in. Pretty much said I'm about to get all the accessories and stuff that'll go with it. And it's a leak somewhere. There's a leak somewhere. It ain't leaking on the table, but it is definitely a leak somewhere. Well, it ain't been raining though, so I don't know. Yeah, it's tight, but it's the setup. I was doing the second table, but my help, he left. That first day he came, second day, no answer, no call, no text back, just me. So it proportionalized my day. A couple hours up here, a couple hours rest at home. I ain't spend too much time up here because it's gotta be like hourly in a sense. Hold on, let me get all my stuff.
1 year later.
What's up, guys? I'm back finally. Why do I be having water on this floor? I do not know. There be water spots on this floor. Whatever it is, it ain't leaking on my machine, but it's still a leak. All right, let me talk to y'all real quick. For you guys who call somebody for everything, right? Let me show y'all something.
So let's see, we got 3 wires. Well, this is a perfect example.
So 110 regular outlets, right? You're gonna have these 3. This goes to the breaker, this goes to one bus bar, and this goes to the other bus bar. Okay, now 220, which is what this machine is and a vacuum for it. You got a double breaker like this. Both of these go in there, and this goes to the ground. It is not rocket science. So if you don't believe in yourself, or you are very scared of electrical, or you have never done it, don't tell me what to do. Shit, because it's not hard. So if you're the person, if you're a man and you call somebody for everything, if you rich or you just don't know what to do. So I ain't no pro, but I'm not gonna pay for everything. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So if you don't want to see me do this type of stuff, just don't watch the video. This stuff is real simple. You just have to do your research and do it properly. And man, but they supposedly have fixed the issue, and I'm gonna use this charger as a tester. So okay, so this wall here is this red wire. Boom. So this comes on, it's working. Okay, it came on. So all of the circuits are now hot. So now we got the power that we need to just finish wiring up the whole box and be done. So what I'm gonna do is change the wire in here and put cause I want everything to be clean and I want it to be done properly. And I'm gonna change all my grounds over. Well, really, I'm only gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have a ground for every conduit, and they all gonna go on this side. I'm gonna take this back apart. This leg I did, change that wire from there up here. That way, all my stuff is like this, like what I did. But all my stuff is working. It was already working. I just didn't want to turn it on with an imbalanced machine. Vacuum system and table, I did test everything already. I just didn't want to turn it on with an imbalanced service panel. So now I can proceed with cleaning all the rest of that up. Just proceed with cleaning it up. Literally probably about an hour or so. Probably a little more on this one. But this, and this, probably like an hour or so. But y'all stay tuned, man. Definitely about to get interesting. All right, man. I'm getting all of the supplies that I brought. All the tools, everything tool-wise up here. I'm buying a second everything, because I don't want to be moving back and forth and stuff. Literally a second everything. Drills, drill bit sets, fluids, liquids, cups, pliers, snips, crimpers. Like, I'm buying a second everything. Only because I'm not trying to forget something and have to go back and get out my groove. Those who work hard, they already understand what I'm talking about. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk through what I'm about to do and what I have done and all of that. Move the table over here. Oh, this was a single, so I'm gonna make it a triple. Yes, sir. I need to buy 2 more of these and then 2 more routers. I bought this to shim my CNC because the floor uneven. Y'all can see right here, big gap. Should do it there. Gotta get the jack, but that should do that. 12-2, so I can do this leg and that leg, and then I had this whole side of the panel done. I'm gonna do that before I start this machine. We got a gun stand and a gun. Put that up here. We got cardboard, so I don't mess my table up too bad, too fast. Got a Bluetooth speaker I'm about to set up. Backup heater. Got some glue. Solid iron set. And then this is my regular common tools that I use on all this stuff. And then we got my baby who's being an angel. Let me help you fix the phone. Okay. So let me get all this stuff set up. I'm about to time lapse y'all. I'm about to set up the speaker first so I cut the music on. Then I'm gonna time lapse y'all. While I finish this side of the panel, then turn this machine on. While the machine going, I'm gonna be cleaning up and setting up other stuff. So I was gonna get my own separate trash for here, but I kind of make the same amount of trash because I'm working in here and at the home shop because I got 2 at home. So I'm just take this bag home when it's full. And that saved me about $100 a month. So that's cool. But yeah, let me set up the speaker, get this music going, and she can cut y'all back on at the end once I time lapse y'all.
We working. Everybody's asking about what I'm gonna do about the dust. Still make dust, just not as much. Panel looking way better. I ain't touched this side yet, but I ain't no electrician. Everything work, and everything way better than before.